Hi friends, I know very well that Skype has blurred the line between friends and a stranger. So we are facing plenty of difficulties making videos for our YouTube channel. If you want to consistent with your YouTube channel, make videos with yourself, no, because now it is very difficult to make a videos with our co-learner. Ample of YouTuber, they are facing a lot of difficulties to make videos. Even I am also facing a lot of difficulties to make videos with our co-learner. So how we can consistent with our YouTube channel, because we don't want to lost our interest to make videos with our YouTube channel, right? I believe that you have a good circle of friends and you have lot of palpate over Skype, and who has been using this application since a long time. They have lot of friends, lot of palpate over there, so which by they can get opportunity to make videos with those person, no, and they try to upload videos on their YouTube channel in daily basis. But now the thing is that I believe that you are really alone. Being alone is the best way to discover who you truly are. Just like the bird that trusts its wings, not the branch it sit on. Have faith in your own strength, not the circumstances around you. But yes, already you have lost your friend circle, so then definitely you are facing also difficulties to make videos, right? So now you have to make some blog videos which you have already learned. Try to implement while you are speaking and while you are making videos, to make some solo videos and try to upload on your YouTube channel if you want to keep consistency with your YouTube channel, right? So why don't you think that I am your friend? Always remember, friends, if your friends are not talking about your entrepreneurship, your success, your startup, entrepreneurship, and your economy, then you are living in wrong circle, no. So why don't you think that I'm your friends? So if you think that I'm your friends to enhance your communication skills, then definitely don't forget to subscribe my channel. If I would appreciate your insight, that I need your opinion with this topic, so let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow my videos. Thank you, bye bye.